Hi, we are doing clock series. Now we are going to do question based on types, clocks types. Okay. So in this question, if the minute hand of clock overtakes the hour hand at the interval of x minutes of the correct time, then the clock lose or gain. So these kind of questions. What it means actually, generally we know, for every 65 5 by 11 minutes, the hands will overtake, that is coincide. So every 65 by 5 minutes, 55 5 by 11 minutes, the clock hands will be coincide each other. This is the correct time. Okay, this is the correct. So every 1 hour, every 65 5 by minutes, 11 minutes, the clock need to overlap. Then it is called correct time. Suppose if they overlap at 60 minutes, what it means? The clock is running fast. Okay, if they overlap at 60 minutes, that is generally it need to overlap at 65 minutes. If they say overlap at 60 minutes itself, that means it is running fast and overlapping. Correct? It need to take 65 minutes to overlap. Then only it is a correct clock. If it overlap within 60 minutes, it is called fast. The clock is running fast. If it overlaps after every 70 minutes, then I can say the clock is slow. So generally it should overlap at 65 minutes. If it is 60, it is fast. If it is 70, it is slow. Can you understand the meaning of this? Fast and slow. The overlap need to be done exactly at 65 5 by 11 minutes. Only then I can say the clock is running correctly. If it overlaps within, that is before 65 minutes, it is called fast moving clock. If it is overlap after 65 5 by 11 minutes, then it is called slow moving clock. Okay, the formula for this kind of question is 720 by 11 minus x. X means what? Whether how much time it will take to overlap. Okay, the x means what? Overlapping time. Okay, x represents overlapping time. 60 into 24 by x. Okay, I'm giving many formulas. So this is the third formula in the clock series. Okay, this is the third formula. The remaining all are understanding. Only these three formulas you must be very careful. 720 by 11 minus x, 60 into 24 by x. Okay, memorize it. Now we can do the questions based on this. So it's a x value. Okay, this is x and this is x. What is x? At what time they are overlapping? That is called x. Now see this. The minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand at the interval of 63 minutes. Overtake means what? It need to overlap and overtakes. Okay. So minute hand overtakes hour hand at the interval of 63 minutes. It means what? It is fast. Correct? Generally, it need to overlap at 65 5 by 11 minutes, but it is overlapping or overtaking within 63 minutes means the clock is running fast. Now we want to find how much time it will gains. How much time it will gains. If it run fast, it will gain more time. Okay. Now see this. So 720 by 11 minus x, 60 into 24 by x. So x value is what? X value is 63. Now we can substitute this. 720 by 11 minus 63, and then 60 into 24 by 63. So cross multiply. 720 minus 63 into 11 is 693 by 11. 60 into 24 is 1440 divided by 63. What is the value of here? 720. 720 minus 693 is 27 by 11. Here 1440 by 63. 27 into 1440 is 38,880 by 693. The final answer is So 56 10. Okay, so it is having fractions. Just see this. This is the minutes gained by the clock. Okay, so minutes it is gaining, because if it is less than 65 5 by 11, always it is gains. If it is more than 65 5 by 11, it is always lose. Okay, so now the answer is what? 56 10 minutes. It means what? The clock is gaining 56 10 minutes. Okay, so again 64 minutes means what? The clock will gain. You can try this question yourself and get the answers. Pause this video and get the answers. Okay, in the next video we can see faulty clocks. What is faulty clock? The watch will gain continuously or lose continuously. So such kind of questions. So we can see that in the next class. Thank you.